Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2005 code? This code indicates that the intake manifold runner control on bank 2 is stuck in the open position, which can disturb the correct air intake balance and reduce overall engine efficiency. If this issue is ignored, it can lead to poor fuel economy, unstable engine performance, and reduced low-end torque. P2005 stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control stuck open out bank 2. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the intake runner flaps on the second cylinder bank are not closing as required. These runner flaps are designed to control airflow inside the intake manifold to improve combustion efficiency, engine power, and fuel economy at different RPM ranges. This problem is commonly seen in modern engines equipped with variable intake manifold systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, weak acceleration at low speed, reduced fuel efficiency, and inconsistent engine performance. In some vehicles, the engine may feel less responsive because the air distribution inside the intake system is not optimized. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner control system for bank 2 is located directly on the intake manifold near the cylinder head on the bank 2 side of the engine. Inside the intake manifold, runner flaps regulate the airflow entering the cylinders. The actuator motor or vacuum actuator that moves these flaps is mounted on the intake manifold assembly. A runner position sensor is attached to the actuator and sends real-time position feedback to the ECU. All these components are connected through a wiring harness that runs across the engine bay and is exposed to heat and engine vibrations. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and check intake runner position values and actuator response. Then visually inspect the actuator linkage for sticking, looseness, or mechanical damage. Carbon buildup inside the intake manifold is a very common cause that can prevent the runner flaps from moving properly. After that, inspect the actuator motor, vacuum lines if equipped, and electrical connectors for faults or corrosion. If heavy carbon deposits are found, intake manifold cleaning is recommended. If the actuator or position sensor is faulty, replacement will be necessary. Finally, clear the fault code and perform a proper road test to confirm normal airflow control and engine performance. Remember, the most common causes of P2005 are carbon buildup in the intake manifold, a faulty runner actuator, or damaged wiring and connectors on bank 2. Fixing the issue on time will restore proper airflow, improve throttle response, and maintain optimal fuel efficiency.